with coverage you can count on. This is WNAM TV5 News.
In the worst public health crisis in 100 years, hospitals let us down. We didn't get the staff or the resources we needed to take care of our patients.
Tonight, local nurses overworked and undersupported. The Michigan Nurses Association releasing a video for powerfully drawing attention to the plight of pandemic caregivers and the continued need for more support. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us at 5:30. I'm Frank Turner. The association making a plea to lawmakers to set safe limits on patient assignments in hospitals and the hours a single nurse can work. As TV5's James Felton reports now, nurses say those limits could be life-saving.
We're there to take care of the patients and their families and help them get better, not cause them more pain and suffering.
Jamie Brown is a nurse. She's also the president of the Michigan Nurses Association. Brown tells me there have been too many times that hospital patients have endured unnecessary pain because there weren't enough nurses.
There was a patient that needed to get out of bed to go to the bathroom, but they weren't steady on their feet, so they fell while the nurse was taking care of her other patients and ended up bruising their hip.
State lawmakers in Lansing have introduced bipartisan legislation called the Safe Patient Care Act. It would limit the number of patient assignments for nurses and the amount of forced overtime that nurses would have to work. Proponents of the bills say it would greatly enhance patient care. Brown says the American Hospital Association is against the proposed measures.
Nurses cost more money to have at the bedside, and it's really all about the profits over putting patient safety first, which is sad.
A spokesperson with the American Hospital Association told me they don't usually comment on state legislation. We've also reached out to the Michigan Health and Hospital Association. No response yet. In the meantime, the series of bills has to pass in both the state Senate and House before they could be signed into law by Governor Whitmer. If that happens, Brown will celebrate over 10 years of hard work to make her vision a reality.
To have a bill of this magnitude passed would really put the meat behind the nurses are heroes, and it would mean a lot to all of the nurses in Michigan.
James Felton, WNEM TV5.